Hello, welcome to everyone. In this video, this is our lecture number 9 on the series Gate Physics Solution chapter wise. Mathematical methods are continue. Today, I want to discuss question asked in 2018. First question says the eigenvalue of Hermitian matrix are. You can see the Hermitian matrix of the property A dagger equals to A. A dagger is nothing but the transpose of conjugate of this matrix. If lambda be the eigenvalue of this matrix A, then the equation will be Ax equal to lambda x, where x is the eigenvector. Now multiply both sides from the left by the conjugate transport by this x dagger from left. We will be get this relation. Now you know the Ax equal to lambda x, the equation of this vector, and take the dagger in both sides. So this will x dagger A dagger, and this is the complex conjugate. Lambda bar is the complex conjugate of lambda, and this is x dagger. Multiply it both sides, and you know the A dagger equals to A, as this is a Hermitian matrix. Now multiply it with both sides x from the right hand side. You can see this is equation 1 and equation 2 left hand side are same, so right hand side also same. Somewhere we will get the lambda equals to lambda bar. Lambda bar was the complex conjugate, so the complex conjugate is equal to lambda means the is real, because there is, if any complex part, then these two are not equal. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Next question, the spherical polar coordinate system theta cap will be. So the formula of the theta cap is cos theta cos phi I cap cos theta sin phi j cap minus sin theta k cap. Here r theta phi are given. R is 10, theta is pi by 4, phi is pi by 2. If you just put this value of theta and phi, because there is no r, so you will be get this expression. Option D is the correct answer of this question. Next, the scale factor corresponding to the covariant metric tensor GII in the spherical polar coordinate system. So any elementary area in the spherical polar coordinate system is written as d r square d sin theta d theta square r square sin square theta d phi square. So if you compare, g r r is 1, g r theta theta is r square, g phi phi is r square sin. The scale factor equal to root under g r r, root under g theta theta, root under g phi phi, that is 1 r sin theta. Option D is the correct answer of this question. Next question, given v1 and v2, and which of the following v3 cover the three-dimensional real linear vector space. For linear vector space, this must be independent to each other. That means they are determinant not equal to 0. So first we can take this component x, y, z, and these two are given. So if you take determinant is 0, you will be get this relation, and when this is 0, this is linearly dependent, otherwise not equal to 0, linearly independent. So these three are matches, so these are the dependent. Only this is not equal to 0, that means this is independent. So option D is the correct answer of this question. Next, this is the differential equation, boundary condition given. What is the value of this? So for that, we just taking the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. So m equals to 9 to r equal roots 1 and 1. So the general solution can be written as c1 plus c2x e to the power x. This is m, so this is x. Use this boundary condition, f of 0 is 1, f of 1 is 0. So put here 0 into the, this is 0, so it is 0 1, so c1 is 1, and for f of 1 equals to 0, so right hand is 0, and this is c1 plus c2 to the power 1 equals to 0, so this is c2 equals to minus c1, that is minus 1. So if you put this one, the value, now put the value of x is 0.5, so this gives you 0.82. So answer will be 0.82. Next question, this value of integral. So for that we can check the pole singularity, and this is single pole or z equals to 1 and 2, and you can see this component is inside the circle and z equal to minus 2 outside the circle or contour. So only the residue will be find out at z equals to 2, and the formula is like that, z minus 2 this function, and this is written is s square minus b square formula. Z minus 2 cancel out, only plus present, and put z equals to 2 in this portion, you will be get 13. So the Cauchy theorem, residue theorem, says that the integral will be 2 pi r into the residue at that point, that is 26 pi I. So the value will be 26 pi. Pi is 3.14. So multiply will be get this 81.68. So this is the answer of this question. So I think clear. This is all about me. This is my contact detail and this is my YouTube channel. So take care. We'll meet you in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.